modification. Let's get started. Hey friends, what's up? It's Mr. Horseman here. I hope you liked the ASMR intro just now. I thought it was kind of fun. But anyway, today we're gonna talk about my MT-09 modification, things that I've done so far on my bike. So whenever I go out riding, I always think of something, what can I improve on the bike? The windshield or sometimes I think the handlebar plays a big role when I'm riding. And of course, not to mention the exhaust, it's Alright, so the first one is clip-on handlebar. I bought this on Shopee. It's about 300 plus ringgit. I think it's probably one of the best feature that I have on my bike. I love it. I don't like the stock handlebar because it's too upright when you sit and when you hold the bar. I mean, of course, the idea is to be comfortable, right? But I like the idea of leaning forward, make it feel like a super bike because I cannot afford a super bike. So at the least I can do is to change the handlebar, a clip-on handlebar, and to have it feel like a super bike. I had my Pro Taper for quite some time and I loved it because it's lower than the stock bar by 2 inch and also it feels comfortable. But then I got really curious about this clip-on handlebar because it's narrower, the position is leaning forward, and I was like, I might just give it a try. Man, I'm telling you, it's like it feels so different. Second item is side mirrors. Now, as you can see, these side mirrors look really small. It is actually small, and some people ask me whether you can see through the side mirrors because the visibility is really bad. I'm gonna be honest with you, yes it is, but once you get used to it, you kind of like adjust your body and then the position of the side mirrors, and somehow you just get used to it. But so far I'm loving it because of the aesthetics, because of the look. It's small, compact, and it looks nice on my bike, and yeah, love it. Third item is brake and clutch levers. Now this item came, I think, probably last one on my modification list because it took me some time to actually find this short levers. Normally it comes with the long levers, and I don't really like the long one, so I was looking for the short one. And then I found this one shop on Shopee from the mainland China, and I grabbed it straight away and then installed it. It has a few colors, I think. I'll share the link in the description so you can go and check it out on Shopee. Item number 4, it's windshield. Now, if you've been watching my previous videos, you noticed that I used a different shield before. It was small and it's a metal type of shield. It doesn't block any wind coming to your chest or anything, it's just the aesthetic part, just to probably protect that your dashboard, that's all. And so when I changed to clip-on handlebar, I thought maybe I should change my windshield as well because I want to have this super bike look, with a windshield and a small handlebar. And so I chose this one because it looks clean, it's nice, it's black. Moving on to item number 5 is engine guard or engine slider. Now this is the second engine guard I have. I used to have a pair of the one that's sticking out, the one the horizontal EMS brand. But I didn't quite like it because of the look, and so I changed to this one, and so far it's been great. It looks great, and I think in terms of the positioning as well, it's just nicer and it looks compact. Modification number 6, it's signal lights. Now for this one, I don't know, 50-50 because I receive feedback from my friends who are riding with me. Whenever they are behind me, they can't really see the visibility of the lights whenever I'm giving signals, and so it's quite dangerous. So I might change to something else that has more visibility to it. Although I kind of like the look because it's compact, but unfortunately the positioning of that signals, especially the one that's behind, is facing on the side, so that could be the reason why people can't see clearly. Modification number 7 is footrests. Now this is racing footrest from Lighttech. As soon as I install this clip-on handlebar, I just realized that I need to have this complete look of superbike vibe, leaning forward, aggressive look. And so I changed to this footrest. It complements that position you have with a clip-on handlebar because the handlebar is already leaning forward position, and plus you have this footrest support that position together with a clip-on handlebar, and it gives you that look. And yeah, I think the most important thing is it makes you look 10 times more handsome. Moving on to item number 8, which is belly pan. Now this belly pan is also one of my favorites, because I just want to have the look, aesthetic look. It looks complete, like a full fairing, you know, like Superbike look again. I mean, I can't afford Superbike, guys, please understand. But as soon as I install this, it gives you that downforce and stability, especially when you're speeding. And it's so stable that it gives you so much comfort. Moving on to the last modification, and this is probably the king of modification, I say, is the Akrapovic Titanium exhaust. Now, this is also the most expensive modification. It's 4,450 ringgit. I've had it installed at Takung Racing in Cheras. This is, I think, the third generation of titanium exhaust. They have the latest one, which is the fourth generation with the carbon fiber wrap around the exhaust. But in terms of performance and the quality build, everything is the same. And I have it tuned at JDM Depot with a friend of mine, Zam. And it's funny because when I first installed it, I was like, man, it's so loud. I was thinking of putting a ear plug into my ear because I'm not used to it. But after a while, you get used to it, and man, I'm telling you, it's the best. So there you have it, my MT-09 modification quick run through. I hope you find this video useful, you know, for those of you guys who are interested in modifying your bike. This is nothing against anything, you know, this is just my personal preferences. I like certain thing because it suits my needs, my liking. More importantly, you know, you want your bike to feel like it's yours, you know, that's the most important thing. And with that being said, I'm gonna end this video here. Please subscribe if you haven't already, like and share this video as well, and click that notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. And yeah, until next time, stay safe guys.